Are rainy days the best days to come out and work? Or are those days to stay home, Netflix, and chill? Let's talk about it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Now let's get into this. What's going on, y'all? It's been a minute. Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Yeah, it's summertime. You know, your boy taking a couple of days off from recording and working because it's been kind of slow. But we out here today. We out here on Monday. It's raining. But before we get into the video, let's go do one delivery. We might as well. It's raining out. Let's go ahead and get it in one time. Yikes, that rain coming down now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Man, gotta love it though. Out here getting this money, that's all we can do, right? So I just want to come out here and ask you guys, how do you guys deal with the rain or bad inclement weather? Do you work? Do you stay home? Or are those times you spend time with your family? Or are these the days you go out and get it? Now, for me, my approach, when it rains and it's bad outside, go out there and get that money. It's just busier. People are ordering more because they don't want to come outside themselves. So that leaves you. These are the days where your bag can really explode if you go out there and work. So for those of you who tend to stay home when it's raining, I get it if it's really, really bad. Or if it's snowing and you don't got good traction on your tires. I understand all that. But if it's like drizzling, raining a little bit like it is now, these are the days you go out and make your bread. Put on your raincoat, put on your hoodie, whatever you gotta do. Come out here and make this money. It's easy on days like this. I promise you. Obviously, if you're in a better market, it'll be a lot better. But even those in a slower market, when it's raining, the apps are always busier. You can get on when you want. It's a lot easier. Most of the locations are always red when it's bad weather. So you can get on and work any area. So there's no excuse. When it's raining outside, there's no excuse to not go out and make money. I know you'd rather stay home and chill, you know, Netflix and chill, be with your snooky poo. But nah, we out here to make money. We grinders is what we do. We don't make no excuses. We come out and make as much money as we can. So when it's raining outside, these are the days that I get excited about. I get giddy. I know it's weird, but I just know that my income for this day is going to be a lot different than any other day. Because it's been really, really hot in Texas. It's been really, really dry. And we've been in need of rain. So whenever rain comes and middle of the day, evening, whenever it comes, as long as it's during any shift that you want to go out there and work, man, go out there and get this money. It's easier, like I said, and better. So if you're not already doing this, you should do it. And for those who already know, ain't nothing else to say. You already know the game. You already know the hustle. To navigate that mind, you got to navigate that muscle. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to leave a short video for you guys. I appreciate the love and support from the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the like button below. The channel is doing exceptionally well, and I appreciate all of you who have taken the time to subscribe, share, or like any of my videos. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I enjoy doing this, so I'm gonna keep it coming. I'm gonna keep it going. And also remember, guys, I'm doing more than just deliveries on this channel. I'm gonna be talking health. So if you would like to know what I'm eating, during these 10-hour dashes on the day-to-day, click the video up here. Take a look at it. Tell me what you think. Until next time, peace out.